Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Italy's Mount Etna volcano has erupted again, mesmerizing people once again with its spectacular explosions. Volcano spewed a large grey plume of ash and lava into the Sicilian sky. Loud booms were heard as lava rained from the sky in a fiery and terrifying spectacle. Few days ago, on the morning of March 7, ash and small lava stones rained down on 8 villages on Etna's slope. It also spewed out towering clouds of ash and lava stones on March 12. Lava flowed from the southeast side of the crater slowly down an uninhabited side, as it had been doing since volcano rumbled back to the life on February 16th. The column of ash and lava reached 10,000 meters high that day. No injuries or serious damage have been reported after the recent blasts. Geologically active Etna occasionally becomes particularly noisy and explosive, as it has been lately. Nightly fireworks were seen during the 13th lava fountaining episode this time. After a slightly longer interval and then previously, Etna continued its impressive series of lava fountaining episode known as paroxysms early this morning. The outburst marked the 12th paroxysm and was particularly powerful and rather long-lasting. The 12th paroxysms of the sequence that began in February 2021 occurred approximately 54 hours after the previous one. The volcanic tremor sign of magma rising inside the conduits started to increase significantly, as typical for the beginning of the Etna's paroxysms. At the same time, a lava flow started to issue from the eastern summit vent and descended towards the Val del Bove. As the lava made its way down the Etna's flanks and into the Bove, it quickly reached the lands of the few kilometers. Strombolian activity increased rapidly to continuous lava fountains with several hundred meters height. Mount Etna is showing no sign of slowing down and has erupted for the 13th time in just 4 weeks on Monday morning. Volcanologists stationed in Sicily watched the volcanic belch out smoke and spew fountains of lava several hundred meters high. Mount Etna has erupting like clockwise since February 16, raining ash and debris over Sicily's eastern coast. The first eruption temporarily brought Sicily to the standstill, grounding flight at the Catania airport. 10,900 feet volcano reared its ugly head again yesterday after 3 days of relative peace. People who watched this activity dubbed this activity as the greatest show on the earth. The volcanic fallout has also plagued the residents of Sicily's eastern coast. The fallout rained lipili, or small volcanic rocks, and ash on the town of Milo, Giare, and others. Scientists believe Etna began life as an underwater volcano. It is the biggest and most active volcano in Europe, and its eruptions have been recorded since the ancient times. Mount Etna is slowly sliding towards the Mediterranean and will likely crash into the sea thousands of years from now. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.